Bent, feet far apart. Let your legs rock from side to side. All right, we're going to go for a quad stretch, and we're going to be in the quad stretch for a while. So, options, I'm going to start from the ground up, and you decide what feels good for you. You can lie on your left side, any head position. I hope my head's in the shot. I don't know, I can't see from here. But you can hold on to your right foot or ankle, or you can use a strap for this. If this hurts your knee, just don't do it. We're not stretching knees, we're stretching the quads, maybe the hip flexors, maybe even the shoulders. So that's one option. So if that hurts you, you're just going to come back onto your back and let your legs rock from side to side, because that also will get into the quads a little bit. So you're either there or you're here. Next option is you're going to come almost like you're going to go into child's pose. You're sitting on your heels though, and you can reach back and sit back. If you need more stretch here, you can just lift off your heels a little bit. We have about 7 more cycles of breath in this position. If you know another version and you want to go for it, I'm not going to stop you. Maybe camel pose, but you don't really want to come into this if you're not warmed up. Don't come over, Tina. Good girl. And then let that knee come in toward your chest if you're on your side, and release. So do what your body needs to do to counter that. And then you can use a strap or not. We're going to be on our side. We're all going to be together on our side, on that left side. And that top leg, your right leg, is going to come in toward your chest and then out. So you're going to get IT band, maybe your glutes, the hamstrings a little bit. So the purpose of the strap sometimes is just for support, but if you can lie down, any head position that feels good. If you can lie down on your side and just extend your leg out and the foot goes down, or you can put your foot on something, it might feel good enough. And if you want to open up into a little bit of a twist, you can open that right arm out. So the strap thing, and anything the bottom leg is doing is fine. The strap is helpful, at least for me, because my leg doesn't go all the way to the floor. If you hold on to the strap without tension in your hands and shoulders, so definitely tension that's holding the leg up, and you flex the foot a lot, ooh, that's a big stretch, right in the belly of the hamstrings. And most hamstring stretches for me, I end up only feeling it in the attachments. So I love the straps for this reason, but do your pose. We still have about 5 more cycles of breath here, long breaths. And staying on your side, the same leg that's out is going to go up. So if you have a strap, give yourself some slack and bend the knee. So you're going inner thigh. It's a major inner thigh stretch. You may not need this strap. You can actually just have your leg up and hold on to it. You want to be comfortable though. For some reason, I like to have my head in my hand on this position and hold on to my toe. But I think it's because I'm used to watching my class all the time. You may feel this in the hamstrings also. Deep, slow breaths. We're going to take this leg position, circle your ankle a couple of times, and we're going to be on our backs with this leg up. The other leg can be long on the mat, or your knee can be bent with your foot flat. If you want to go back to that half-bound angle, you can do that. To me, it's just a lot of hip stretch. So the strap is nice here because you don't have to do anything with your arms, except you pull your shoulders down. But it's fine to just be here too. Take some deep, slow breaths. This is a happy hamstring. Hamstrings, a happy hamstrings. Because we have 3 of them on each side. Bend the bottom knee and put the bottom foot flat on the mat. Undo the strap if you have a strap wrapped around your top leg. Cross that top leg over the bottom one in a nice wide figure 4. Get this out of the way. So this might be enough. Maybe rocking from side to side is more up your alley. Maybe hugging the knees in is what you need. If you want to come into pigeon face down instead, you can feel free to do that. So that top leg, the right leg, would be in front. But it's not very friendly for everyone's hips. And we'll come down. So these are big, big muscles, and they need a long time to let go. So we're going to be here for 2 minutes. Come to the breath, the slow, deep breath. Shoulders are relaxed. If you're on your back and you're hugging in, maybe that left leg is going to go up in the air. Just play around as a preview for your other hamstring stretch. So just enjoy the poses and breathe deeply and slowly. And that is it. Your intention is already happening. Breath will do the job. Release, lie down flat on your back, and rest. Feel the difference on the 2 sides.